Selamat pagi, perkenalkan nama saya Madi Sangkat Maje dari kelas manajemen 23A dengan NPM 234111079. Di sini saya akan menjelaskan materi tentang understand the scope of the business. Understanding business enterprise of commerce in the activity of buying and selling goods or service with the aim of making a profit. In economy, a business is an organization that sell goods or service to customer or the business in order to generate a profit. Historically, the word business came from the English word bus, which means engage is activity or work that bring about profit in the context of individuals, community, and society. In capitalist economy, where most businesses are privately owned, businesses are formed to make a profit and increase the prosperity of their owners and stakeholders. Both owners and employees of a business receive rewards according to the time, effort, or capital the contributes. However, not all business pursue profit in this way. For example, cooperative aim to improve the welfare of all their members, or government institution aim to improve the welfare of the population. So, business model contract with socialist system, where large business are mostly owned by the government, the general public, or labor unions. Extomulcally, business means the stage in which an individual or group of people is busy for performing work that generates profit. The word business itself has three uses depending on its scope. The singular as of the word business can refer an enterprise which is a legal, technical, and economic entity that aims to make a profit. A broader use can refer to a specific market sector, such as television business that broadcasts use references to all activity carry of view profits of goods and service. However, that previous definitions of business remains a subject of debate of this day. Important reason to understand the scope of the business. Understanding the scope of business is crucial foundation for success in the business world. Here are some important reasons why you need to understand it. 1. Facilitating effective business decision making. A depth understanding of the scope of the business allows you to analyze various internal and external factors affecting the business. This help you make informed and strategic business decisions. Accessing the risk type of business. By understanding the scope of business, you can identify market opportunity that aligns with your interests, resource, and skill. Number 2, developing activity marketing strategies. Understanding the target market, competition, and industry trend help you design the rich marketing strategies to attract customer and increase sales. Number 3, managing business finance wisely. Understanding the business financial structures and factor affecting profitability helps you make sound financial decisions, such allocating resources and managing. 2. Increasing business success opportunities. Business that have a clear understanding of their scope are more likely to achieve long-term success. This is because the change. Number 1. Identity and capitalists of business opportunities. By understanding market trend and customer needs, they can quality identity new opportunities and development product or service accordingly. Number 2. Adapts to change in the business environment. Understanding external factor affecting the business enable them to adapt to change quick effectively. Number 3. Building strong relationship with stakeholder. Understanding the role and interests of business stakeholder help them build mutually beneficial relationship and minimize the risk of continuity. Number 3. Navigating the complex business environment. Today is business world intensely complex and dynamic. Understanding the scope of business help you to Number 1. Identity and analyze business risk. By understanding the various risks facing the business, you can take steps to mitigate them and project your business. Number 2. Making ethical and responsible decisions. Understanding business norm and religion help you make decisions that not only benefit the business but also benefit society and the environment. Number 3. Increasing business opportunities. Understanding the best business strategies and practices help you improve your business competitiveness in a competitive market. Main components of business scope. Business scope refers the various aspects and activity that make up a business organization. Understanding the scope of a business is crucial for effective decision making. Developing appropriate strategies and achieving business objective. Here that main components of business scope. Number 1. Business activity. Type of activity. Explain the different type of business activity. Such as Number 1. Product activity that converts of material into finished product. Trade activity involving the buying and selling of goods and service. Service activity that provides service to customer. Finance activity the manager manage the business finance, so is investment, financing, and risk management. Business process explain the primary business process which is an organization such as marketing activity that promote product or service, the financial customer operation activity that product or service, finance activity that manager the business finance, human resource activity that manage employees and ensure that smooth operation of the business. Number 2. Business objective. A. Primary objective. Explain the primary objective of the business, such as Number 2. Profitability. Generate profit from business operation. Number 3. Customer satisfaction. Providing product or service that meets customer need as what. Number 4. Social responsibility. Making a possible contribution the society and environment. Secondary objective. Explain the secondary objective of a business, such as increasing market share, increasing the percentage of share in particular market. developing new product or service, creative new product or service that meet evolving customer needs, informing of operational efficiency, reducing cost, and increasing productivity. Number 3, business stakeholder. Internal stakeholder. Explain the internal stakeholder who have an interest in the business, such as owner, the parties who own the capital and are responsible for the business continuity. Expolius, the parties who work from the business and contribution to achieving its objective. Management, the parties responsible for leading and managing the business. External stakeholder, explain the external stakeholder who have a strength in the business, such as customer, the parties who purchase product or service from the business. Suppliers, the parties that provide raw material, service requested by the business. Creditor, the parties that produce to that business. Government, the parties that regulate and oversee the business. Community, the parties that are affected by the business activity.